And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
And welcome back, everyone, to News 5 at 6 on your Monday. Now, after a warm, breezy, fire danger type of weekend here in southern Colorado, take a look at the scene this morning with a few fresh inches of snow on the ground up towards the Palmer Divide. Notice the deer in the foreground seems completely unfazed by this first taste of winter. And that snow report coming just outside of the Monument Hill area. You can see about 2 miles northeast of Monument. Snow report coming in at about 2.2 inches. Also seeing around 2 inches near the town of Leadville and just about 4 inches down to the south up towards the Spanish Peaks. Certainly much colder air in place today, so feeling a bit more fallish, if you will, across the region. 47 all we can muster in the Springs after a low of 27 degrees, and for Pueblo today up to a high of around 50. The low in Pueblo was only 36, but folks, we're going to get much colder than that tonight. So if you have not winterized some of the outdoor plumbing, the sprinklers, the pipes around the home, tonight is the night to blow it out, as we have a freeze warning in effect from midnight to 9 a.m. for the southeast plains and the I-25 corridor. It does include eastern Fremont County, so areas around Florence, Penrose, and Canyon City, you're also included in this freeze warning, as lows in these regions is expected to drop all the way down to the 20s. And we're already heading in that direction as we're now past sunset tonight. That was 6:08 this evening. As days get shorter, we get more darkness and it gets much colder in the early evening hours here in southern Colorado. 42 in the Springs right now. Pueblo currently checking in at 48 degrees. Now again, by tomorrow morning, make sure you are layered up and that the kids are layered up as they head out the door for school, especially in the San Luis Valley. We could be down into the single digits around Alamosa. Now, we will be sunny early, but we'll be tracking a little weak disturbance that comes into the state by the afternoon. That will likely spread some more snow showers into the mountains. And the model shows maybe the potential for a little bit of moisture reaching us here between about 6 and 10 p.m. Mostly shows up as green, but I wouldn't be surprised to see maybe a few flurries fly as we get that increase in cloud cover and moisture up towards the Palmer Divide late tomorrow night, but not expecting any accumulation from that weaker system. It's the one that follows by Thursday. Models starting to see a little bit more clearly that we will see potentially some snowfall east of the mountains with this system. Area of low pressure will track south. It'll bring a cold front to the region as we head towards maybe late morning to early afternoon on Thursday. Timing still a bit up in the air, but behind that front we get some colder air and that upslope flow. And those ingredients combine nicely, right, to bring us the potential for some accumulation up towards the Palmer Divide, even down across parts of the urban corridor. I wouldn't be surprised if we potentially see that first snow of the season right here in Colorado Springs by Thursday afternoon. Low tonight with those dry skies, 26 degrees. We'll be down around 13 in Westcliff and 9 in Alamosa. Recovery-wise, it's a good-looking day on Tuesday with a mix of 50s and 60s all across southern Colorado. So Tuesday looks to be one of the warmest days this week. You can see by Thursday with that rain snow chance, a high of only 43. And that could be a bit generous. Again, some details still to iron out over the next 12 to 24 hours. We'll keep you posted here with First Alert 5. Snow chances increasing by late morning and sort of tapering off by Thursday night with drier skies and a hard freeze by Friday morning. For Pueblo, I've got this as liquid precip at this point. For now, it looks like snow levels hover around 5,500 to 6,000 feet. That would stay above you, but again, things can change. Canyon City, I've got 60s on Tuesday down to the upper 50s Wednesday. A high of just 48 degrees with rain possibly mixing with snow. And for Woodland Park, we've got the snow showers on Thursday, possibly a few flurries on Wednesday. Drier skies expected as we head towards the upcoming weekend. Allison?